everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ankita Mallick, and in this video I did this smoked out Kajal makeup look that you can wear occasionally for any festive celebration or function. You can also wear this with a casual fusion wear on any usual day. So to know how I have created this makeup look, let's jump into the video. I have already prepped my face with the moisturizer and also applied the primer. For foundation, I used the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. Now moving towards the concealer, I am taking the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in shade medium and I am applying it under my eyes to cancel out the darkness and also on my T-zone area to brighten it up. Using my damp beauty blender, I am blending the product into my skin. Now to set my face, I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade light medium and using my damp beauty blender, I am pressing the product on the areas where I have applied the concealer. Next, moving on to the eyes, I am taking the L.A.Colors Sweet 16 color eyeshadow palette and picking up this shade right here. I am applying it on the outer corner of my eyes and blending it in a circular motion. You can see I'm gradually building up the color on my crease and blending it all the way towards the inner corner. Next, I am taking this darker shade right here and I am applying it all over my eyelid. I am starting with very less product and slowly building up the pigmentation I want on my lid. Don't forget to blend the edges too so that it looks smooth and well blended. Next, I am taking this Rimmel Kajal pencil and I am applying the Kajal on my eyelid close to my lash line, and then using the smudger on the other end of the pencil, I am just smudging out the Kajal. I am also using my finger to smudge out the Kajal. Next, using the smudger, I'm also running it on my lower lash line just to smoke that out. Moving on, I'm taking this lash color and curling my lashes. And then taking this Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara, I'm applying it on my upper lashes and also on my lower lashes. Next, I'm taking this L'Oreal Paris Glam Duo Bronzer and bronzing up my face. Using this Miss Claire blusher, I'm applying it on my cheekbones and also on the apples of my cheeks. Using a fluffy brush, I'm just blending it all together. Taking this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, I'm applying it on the high points of my face. You guys know it. For my lips, I'm taking this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in shade 130 Self Starter and applying it a thin layer on my lips. Now to top it up, I'm taking this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in shade 55 and just applying on the top of the shade. Next, I'm using the Nykaa false lashes in Melodrama. I didn't curl or ironed my hair, it's how my hair looks naturally. I'm wearing this nose ring that I have purchased from Amazon and this is the final result. You can just wear this look in any occasional family function or festivals. or you can just keep it simple by wearing a small nose pin. I didn't have a small one, so I just went for this bindi I had with me and just popped it on my nose. And this is it. I hope you loved this video. Please give it a like if you loved watching this video, and before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get updates on every time I upload a video. See you in my next video. Bye.